Sabah al-khair, Mas al-khair, wherever you are, welcome to another reading comprehension Levantine Arabic. This is Ibrahim with you. Before going any further, I'd like to highlight that this reading comprehension is aimed at complete beginners. Most of the vocabulary are basic, the sentences are basic, nothing complicated. However, some of you might find the vocabulary a little bit more advanced, but in a way or another, you are going to encounter new vocabulary and widen your vocabulary bank. As usual, I'll translate word for word. The overall translation is yours. Based on your understanding, you could give it a full translation, and if you want to, translate it and leave in the comment section below. So could be a task for you guys. You're not just listening to me, reading the text, and then what's next. You could try to translate it and leave in the comment section below, and definitely I'll give you some feedback. However, it's self-explanatory because I'm going to translate the text word for word. At the end of it, I'll try to read it slowly for you to try to imitate me or to do some self-dictation perhaps. Some of you who are intermediate or upper intermediate or advanced if you wish. However, beginners as well could definitely give it a try and try to write some of these vocabulary. Without further ado, let's start. صديقي المفضل. صديقي المفضل. Mufaddal means favorite, but then here you could equally use it meaning my close friend. Some of you might use it and then somebody else might say, well, this one means favorite and I'm not really sure I'd like to use it. Then we do have another synonym or another vocabulary for you to use it. In fact, here's an adjective, il-muqarrab. Muqarrab, which means close. Muqarrab, which means close, so somebody who's close to you. So you could say, صديقي المفضل, my favorite friend, if you want to say it, but what you mean is my close friend. However, if some of you might not like this adjective, which is المفضل, then you could easily replace it with المقرب. So you could say صديقي المقرب, which means my close friend or my favorite friend. So whichever you go for is absolutely fine, but I wrote both synonyms to give you the choice to choose. And it is صديقي المفضل or صديقي المقرب. مرحبا, hi. It's an informal greeting. You could always use it to greet anybody. مرحبا, مرحبا, hi. مرحبا is a compound vocabulary in Arabic. And it's from Aramaic, which is, some of you may know it. It's the language of Jesus Christ, and it's only spoken in one place only, which is in Syria, in a town called Malula. Google it and have a look at it. Coming back to here, Mar in Aramaic means God, and Haba means love. So the literal translation for this, it means I greet you with the love of God. But again, the overall meaning or the current use for it, it means hi. Marhaba. Marhaba, hi, you would use it to greet anybody. Ismi Ahmad. Ismi, my name. Ahmad is Ahmad. Ana, and I am, min, from, Masr, Egypt. Abi Muhasib. My dad is an accountant. Abi Muhasib. My dad, accountant. So kindly note that there is no is are in Arabic. Is literally within the sentence. So the verb to be is are, it does not exist. It's literally within the sentence. So when you say Abi Muhasib, it literally means my dad accountant, but the overall meaning means my dad is an accountant. Fi, in, at, sharike, a company. Ummi, and my mum. And ummi, my mum. Ummi بتشتغل. بتشتغل. بتشتغل, she works, she's working. بتشتغل. استشارية, consultant. استشارية, as a consultant. استشارية مع شركة بناء. مع, with. شركة, a company. بناء, construction. استشارية, consultant. مع, with. شركة بناء, construction company. أنا هلا انتقلت على مدرسة جديدة. أنا هلا now I am now. انتقلت I moved. انتقل to move. انتقلت I moved. على to مدرسة school. مدرسة school. جديدة new. جديدة. في in at شمال north. شمال north. القاهرة. القاهرة. القاهرة which means Cairo. القاهرة Cairo. وبدرس and I study. وبدرس and I study. الحقوق. الحقوق. الحقوق which means law or law studies. وبدرس الحقوق. أنا I am في in السنة the year الثانية the second. أنا في السنة الثانية I'm in my second year. حسين هو صديقي المفضل المقرب. حسين هو صديقي he's my friend. المفضل favorite close. Or you could use the other description or the other adjective which is المقرب. حسين هو صديقي المفضل or المقرب. Hussein is my close friend or he's my favorite friend. But again, you could choose either. You do not use them together. تعرفت عليه. I got to know him. I met him. تعرفت عليه. So the verb تعرف is to get to know or to meet for the first time. تعرفت عليه. I met him. من الحي from the neighborhood. من الحي. الحي is neighborhood. And again, similarly, we do have lots of synonyms. If you know any others, leave in the comment section below. ونحنا and we بنلعب. We play. بنلعب. 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 We play. كرة القدم. كرة القدم. Football. كرة which means ball. قدم which means foot. So كرة القدم football. كل يوم every day. جمعة Friday. Every Friday. كل يوم جمعة. كل يوم جمعة every Friday. أحيانا بنروح على السينما. أحيانا sometimes. أحيانا sometimes. بنروح we go. بنروح we go. على to السينما the cinema. بس but معظم الوقت. معظم الوقت. معظم الوقت most of the time. معظم الوقت most of the time. بنلعب we play. بنلعب we play. ألعاب games. على on الكمبيوتر the computer. بس معظم الوقت but most of the time بنلعب ألعاب we play games على الكمبيوتر on the computer. So most of the time we play computer games. And this was the end of our detailed reading and translation. Now I'll give it a full slow read, and this is your chance to repeat after me or write it down and do some self-dictation. So whichever you go for, let's start now. Grab a pencil, grab a pen, put your headphones on so you could listen and hear me clearly and can repeat. One of the things that I would recommend while you're repeating, for example, you could record yourself simultaneously at the same time on your smartphone. And back again, try to either listen to me or yourself. صديقي المفضل or صديقي المقرب. مرحبا. اسمي أحمد وأنا من مصر. أبي محاسب في شركة، وأمي بتشتغل استشارية مع شركة بناء. أنا هلّا انتقلت على مدرسة جديدة في شمال القاهرة، وبدرس الحقوق. أنا في السنة الثانية. حسين هو صديقي المفضل. حسين هو صديقي المفضل. Or you could say هو صديقي المقرب. تعرفت عليه من الحي، ونحن بنلعب كرة القدم كل يوم جمعة. أحيانا بنروح على السينما، بس معظم الوقت بنلعب ألعاب. على الكمبيوتر. Great, and with that I'll end today's session. Hope you enjoyed and found it helpful, and if you did, as usual, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe, as you will always be notified when a video like this or tutorial is being published. Till next time, stay safe. Ma salama.